Okay, so when this question was asked to my LearnMate app, it was not very specific. So I'm assuming that you might be interested in graphing these equations, and I will graph this equation for you. But if your question is something else, then please write it on a piece of paper and take a photo of it and submit it to my LearnMate, and then I will, we will send you another detailed video solution of what you ask. Okay, so to answer this question, let's say we're graphing this equation, and this is a linear equation, by the way, because all variables have power 1. So this is a linear equation, and its graph is going to be a straight line. So there are several ways you can graph this. One way is making a small table, and you can choose anything for x. X is sort of a free variable here, and y will depend on the x. So just choose any number you want. For instance, if you choose x to be -1, then you will substitute -1 in x here to compute the corresponding y value, which is 3 times -1 plus 1, and this will be -2. So then you have a point, you have a pair, which is a point, and the component, x component is -1, and the y component is -2. So that will be a point in the third quadrant here. If you choose x to be 0, then this will be 3 times 0 plus 1, which is 0 plus 1, and that's 1. And that will be this point here. That's exactly on y-axis, which is y-intercept. And if I choose x to be 1, then this is 3 times 1 plus 1, which is 4. So we have 1, 4. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4 right here. So that will be this point. And you see points are lined up. You can generate many points, as many as point you want. Usually with the lines, it's enough that you have 2 points. But we have 3 points, so I'm just going to connect these points by a straight line, and this will be the graph of this linear equation. And you could also do it by slope-intercept form. So let me show you that one too. So slope here is 3, and this is the y-intercept. So I will just take this number and write it as 3 over 1, and then the slope is going to be 3 over 1, and the y-intercept is 1, which y-intercept is right here. That's 1. And then this 3 means go up 3, and this 1 means go over 1. So go up 3 units and go over 1. So 1, 2, 3, and 1 to the right side. So that's this point. And I can keep on doing this. So if I keep on doing this, then I'm just going to keep getting more points. So 1, 2, 3 over 1. And you see I get another point right here. So that's another way of finding points that can be connected by this straight line. So hopefully this video will help to answer your questions. And if it's something different, like I said, please write your question on a piece of paper, or if it's written in any documents, you can take a picture of that question and resubmit it to my LearnMate, and then I can help you to answer your questions.